Listen to your friends, Zach. Listen to your friends.
Oh yeah? Felix! Well, my friends told me to eat a Tide Pod. Here we go. You got clickbaited, bro! You thought I was gonna eat a Tide Pod? Am I stupid? I'm gonna eat this cookie instead. You got clickbaited, bro, by the Jeffy gang. I'm the clickbait master. I'm no Beastmaster.
Beastmaster 64.
I'm a clickbait master. You thought I was gonna eat a Tide Pod. You looked at the thumbnail. I was like this with a Tide Pod in my hand. Zach's gone crazy enough to eat a Tide Pod, and I'm gonna watch it. You just got clickbaited, bro. How do you feel, bro? Oh, it's Zach. He'll do anything for views, won't he? Tide Pod. Serious announcement. Don't eat Tide Pods. Tide Pods are dangerous. Tide Pods are harmful. Tide Pods will end your life if you eat one. Tide Pods are dangerous. Tide Pods are harmful. Tide Pods will end your life if you eat one. Take it from me, don't eat a Tide Pod, and you got clickbaited, bro!